In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all sample data from Freshsales. It's a straightforward process that should take about 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, you need to open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or any other you're comfortable with. In the search bar, type in Freshsales and hit Enter. This should bring up the Freshsales login page. It's important to make sure you're on the official website to avoid any potential security risks. Once you're at the login page, proceed by entering your credentials. This will typically be your email and password associated with your Freshsales account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, ensure you have your device handy to complete the login. Enter your details carefully and click on the Log In button to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you should find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, navigate to the Admin settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen, often represented by a gear icon, or you may find it by clicking on your profile picture. Hover over it and a drop-down menu should appear. Look for the Account Settings option and go ahead and click on Account. This will direct you to the area where you can make changes specific to your account settings. Once you're in the Account section, keep an eye out for a button labeled Request Cancellation. This button is crucial for our task today, as clicking it will initiate the process of deleting your account alongside all the sample data. It's vital to ensure that you're absolutely sure about deleting the data though, as this step is irreversible and all your sample data will be permanently removed. After clicking the Request Cancellation button, you will see a prompt asking you to confirm this cancellation. This step acts as a safeguard, just in case you accidentally clicked the button in the previous step. Here, take a moment to double-check everything. In this prompt, you will find a statement that reads, "I confirm that I want to cancel my account and delete all my data." You'll need to check the box next to this statement. This is another confirmation step, allowing the system to understand that you are fully aware of the action you're about to take. Finally, once you've checked that confirmation box, look for the Cancel Account button and click on it. This action will permanently delete your Freshsales account as well as all associated data, including the sample data. Remember, this step is the point of no return, so if you're sure you're ready to remove everything, proceed with this final click. And there you have it. Your Freshsales account along with all the sample data has now been successfully deleted. Make sure to save any important data before starting this process as it cannot be recovered afterward. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.